Bitcoin is looking very strong on the 4-hour time frame, and we just seen a short squeeze in Bitcoin, meaning that Bitcoin's price pumped. Well, a lot of shorts got liquidated. Guys, we will have a look at the Bitcoin price action in today's video, but we're also going to have a look at some other things like Ethereum, which might be lining up way better than Bitcoin right now. And I want to share an update with you as well that is coming from Will Portal, which is going to be very interesting, guys. So let's jump straight into it. So guys, let's start with Bitcoin. And like I said in yesterday's video, Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame actually was not looking all too bad. We had this momentum coming up higher, and yeah, we can see that the relative strength index completely retraced back to the lows. And even though like here setting higher lows, that is pretty bullish. We have right here this indicator as well getting higher lows on the yellow line right now turning purple, which is a bullish sign as well for the 4-hour time frame. And of course, we have roughly at the 10th of January, most likely, we will get that Bitcoin ETF approval. And we don't know yet what is going to happen. We don't know if it's going to be a sell the news event or that suddenly a lot of pension funds and investment funds are going to flood the market with new money. Personally, guys, and I've been very vocal about this, I personally think that we first can see after the approval still an increase in the price, like kind of a blow off top event, but followed by a blow off top, because the news of that ETF approval is already long out there. So the anticipation on that ETF approval is also already long out there. So I think a lot of people have been buying Bitcoin on the anticipation of that Bitcoin ETF. And if they didn't want to buy Bitcoin on the exchange, they always could buy MicroStrategy stock or Coinbase stock. And we can also see that Coinbase, guys, actually has been doing really good. This shows us also the interest in the Bitcoin ETF, because Coinbase is up from the lows of the bear markets right here, roughly 400%. So that is even higher than Bitcoin. So this definitely shows the interest from institutions in Bitcoin. However, they also want to foreplay the fact, right, that the Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved. They want to play that card as well. I don't think they're going to rush all in when it finally gets approved, right? I think once it gets approved, we get a breather from all this anticipation. So maybe one last big push to the upside before we can go lower. I personally would think that would make the most sense, but I also very well aware of the fact, guys, that I basically don't know. But I know that in 2017, we've seen the exact same thing with the Bitcoin CME Futures, which is also backed by real Bitcoin. There, we also saw the stories there, like, yes, institutions are coming, finally they have an instrument where they can invest in Bitcoin, and then they came, the ETF, futures ETF was approved, backed by real Bitcoin, same as the spot ETF. And funny that the futures ETF is actually approved earlier than the spot ETF, but that marked the exact top in 2017. And then it was followed by a 1-year bear market, right? So I don't know, like I would say it is a higher likelihood that we are going to see something similar like that. Also concerning the 16-year cycle and everything, showing that we might see a top early 2024. I'm still sticking to that plan, and I still think that's the case. But I also still think that Bitcoin right here is consolidating, like I said yesterday. And as long as we are holding this low, I still think we can push higher in the price. But now comes a big but. I think Ethereum is actually looking better than Bitcoin, because when we look at Ethereum right here on the 4-hour time frame, this is looking very beautiful, very beautiful. We had this falling wedge formation, we broke out to the upside, we had a perfect retest of that former resistance into support, quickly being bought up, big wick. Yesterday I also said Ethereum is looking good. We get higher lows on the momentum. We get this one going up. We got the relative strength index setting higher lows. These is a very nice combination of a bullish Ethereum. And it's not only Ethereum, guys. It's also Ethereum against Bitcoin that is looking so bullish. As we had this breakout on the 4-hour time frame, we also get the momentum coming up right here. And I've actually shared this pic the moment we had this low right here. And I expect Ethereum to break out from this falling wedge formation, break out to the upside and get a massive rally. All eyes on Ethereum. I'm expecting that to happen right now, at least in the next coming weeks ahead, going into January, because Ethereum often has rallies against Bitcoin in January. And I can show you that on this chart, guys, if we go to the weekly time frame. Every yellow arrow right here is basically November. So what we can see, every November we have most of the time a low, followed by a December lower low, followed by a January rally. This was a January rally, or early year rally, early year rally, early year rally. Okay, this one was not that big, but yeah, okay, still we had an increase from the bottom to the top of 50%, guys. That is, for me, that's quite insane. And here you can see it as well. Low in November, or actually October, beginning November. Not a low in December, right? Exactly the same as the previous times. And I'm expecting a rally in January. Then, guys, I want to bring your attention to the following. First of all, I told you that I'm going to share my copy trading results with you from BingX Exchange. Right now, you can see, I don't know how long this has been going on, probably around a week or something, since the moment I published the BingX copy trading tutorial. But here you can already see that the strategy kind of works. I know the profits are not that big, but what we actually did is we really diversified into different strategies. We took safe strategies, we took a little bit less safe strategies, but we took also different accounts, and we spread the amount of money, which was $600 Tether roughly. We spread that over 5 accounts, and as you can see, there's one account, Trader Jones, that actually had a very good statistic, but since we're copying this guy, he's just been losing money, right? So if we only would have been copying Trader Jones, then this account would be in the loss. But just because we diversified right here, you can see that war trading makes actually up for that loss, and we get some profits from the other accounts. So this is also why it is so important that you diversify in everything that you do. No, not only in investing, but also in terms of copy trading, but also in terms of your trading strategy, right? Don't lean into one trading strategy, but maybe spread your risk. Do some trading bots that work for you. Do some copy trading. Do trading strategy A, trading strategy B. Like, diversify a little bit. Don't bet all your eggs in one basket, because yeah, the chance of losing is actually just high. You have a higher risk when you bet on a single entity, on a single person, right? You spread your risk when you bet on multiple people. So, guys, this is just something that I wanted to share. This also could have been a loss, guys. Definitely don't take don't think that if you are going to copy other people that you for sure going to get a profit. No, definitely not. You can also get a loss. But yeah, this turns out to be a profit. Not the biggest from a $600 investment. This is roughly, what is it? I don't even know, 3% or something. So 3% in a week, it's still actually a high return on the amount of money that we put in. So if you are interested, guys, you can join BingX with the affiliate link down below. For the people that are in the United States that want to try copy trading or want to trade on this platform, you can join without KYC with the affiliate link down below. Then, guys, I'm going to bring your attention to the following thing, which is the new Will Portal design. And I basically want to ask you guys for some feedback. And we are building now the new homepage for Will Portal, where we're actually going to put the blog post right here on top of the screen. We have 2 new segments on the website, which are AI generated. One is a market summary and one is the social sentiment. So that's going to be very beautiful, guys. You go just to Will Portal, you directly have a summary of all the data that you see right here, and you get a sentiment check on what's going on YouTube and stuff. Then we have the coin list, right? Here we can see directly Bitcoin, XRP, BNB, Ethereum, you name it. You can see the price. You can see directly the funding, premium, and volume, and open interest. That's very beautiful, right? I think personally. And then you also directly see the momentum. Is the momentum going up in the 1 hour time frame, or 4 hour, or 1 day? Where is the momentum going? Where is the momentum going down? So that is also going to be very interesting. Gives you a very quick look on what's happening. We want to make a chart right here which shows the basically the moving average of the take buy sell ratio for multiple tokens, so you can see which tokens is being bought up the most aggressively. We have an alt season index which shows if money is flowing to Bitcoin or money flowing to altcoins. Guys, It is really insane, and I'm really excited. I want to share this with you. But the reason that I'm sharing this with you, because Will Portal is a community-driven product. Right? Everything that we build, we get from feedback from you, from the community. So that's why it's so important that you have a look at the screen right here and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and what is something that you need in here. What would you like to see? What is something that would really help you with your trading? You wake up in the morning, you grab your coffee, you maybe grab your newspaper, and then you open Will Portal, and then you can see, okay, today I'm going to look for longs. Today I'm going to look for shorts. Okay, this happened in the market. This happened in the markets, and the social sentiment is actually expecting this. And because of all these reasons, I'm going to do this. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below, and that is very important because, like I said, this is community driven. Let me know in the comment section what you think of it, if you dig this new design, and let me know if you want to change anything. Let me know if I forgot any data. Let me know which chart you would like to have here. Maybe crypto fear and greed index, maybe the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. Guys, let me know in the comment section. I very, very highly appreciate all the feedback that I get from you guys. So that's also that for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, very much appreciated. If you are new right here, make sure to subscribe down below. And if you are interested in joining Will Alerts, the private Telegram channel where you can receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets, and in this private Telegram channel, a lot of magic things have happened. We have been calling already when it was $4-5. Right now it's trading at $70. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, during 2023, we actually made a lot of good calls in this private Telegram channel, and you can join basically for free by being an active trader on one of these exchanges that we are partners with. That's either Bybit, BingX, or BitGet. Then you can submit your user ID right here. We'll check it from our end if you meet the deposit requirements, and if you signed up with our link, of course, we can see that if you fill the user ID. And if so, yes, we put you in the Telegram channel, and all of the profits that we make from the fee sharing that the exchange does with us, so it doesn't cost you anything, will go into further development of Will Portal, which, as you can see, guys, really becoming a very nice platform. I personally really love it, and I hope you guys are excited about this as I am. Guys, that was it for today's video. I wish you all a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.